a turtle.
Hi, guys. Welcome to the
Here goes.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine,
10 cod. These are lobsters.
Yeah.
I see a red one and a blue one.
Red one and a blue one.
Alexie, we're going to see how much you'd be worth if you were tuna. Step on the blue.
$682. Zoe's $412.
Wow.
Whoa, big girl.
Wow.
Oh, they're gonna bite your mom?
Are all these fish going to come and nibble ya?
Here they come. You're gonna get into
Oh, well, look at this one. Look at that one. That is really cool. Alexie,
Yeah.
these are Arctic grayling.
Yeah.
And their water that they're swimming in right now is super cold. If you could put your hand in the water, it would feel really cold. It would feel like ice water. Who do you see?
Dory.
You found Dory?
Yeah.
Show me.
This one is Dory. That one. That
Dory.
What do you see, Zoe? Blue, yeah, blue fish, eh? You see yellow fish? Yellow. Where's yellow? Yellow. Yellow fish. That's cool. Big school of fish coming. Alexie, this is the Rainbow Reef.
Oh, look at all those rainbow bubbles.
Lots of bubbles, eh?
Yeah.
You see the coral reef? See all the different colors and all the fish that live here? So this is very warm water. We talked about those other fish that lived in really cold water in the Arctic. This is really warm water. So it's a different temperature. These fish wouldn't be able to survive in the cold water, and those other fish that were in the cold water would not be able to survive and live in this water.
Let's look for sharks. Lexi, can you see any sharks?
We're looking for a shark, a stingray, and a sea turtle. There's another one right there. Two of them.
This guy. This one right
Right
here.
here, right in front of us. Look at the teeth on that thing. Look at those teeth. Those
Teeth,
are really sharp teeth, eh?
And they bite. You're right. Look at the sea turtle. There it goes.
Oh, there's the sea turtle. Right there, it's swimming away from us over there. Yeah.
Zoe is talking about the sharks. Hey, Zoe, what is a shark do? Does it bite? Bite. Yes, bite you. Sharks bite.
Oh, let's see, look at Here comes the sea turtle. Yo, dude, surf's up, man.
Highway.
Here comes the rain. Whoa, he's getting over.
There goes Mr. Ray.
blood is so focused on that one thing. It is better than anything else that we have on the planet at finding that one thing. And again, that's bacteria. It doesn't even fight it. It isolates it. So when it comes in contact with a bacteria or any sort of a bacterial contaminant, their blood will literally harden around it, clot. And it will react to a bacterial contaminant at 1 part per trillion. So that's 1 trillion of their blood. A bacterial contaminant will cause this reaction. If it's gone into a sterile part of your body, they've tested it with horsehair blood before it comes anywhere near you.
When you turn this, it brings the water up and it fills up this thing over here. Look. Look at this. See? We keep on turning that, and then that's going to make that other thing turn. Turn, 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 turn. What brings boats from one lake up to another lake. So watch this. We're going to close this lock. This boat's going to come in here. This boat's going to come into the lock. And then the doors close on the lock. And then these doors open. And the lock fills up with water and brings the boat up to the next level. And then it can go over here. Yep. I gotta keep bringing the water up. You see some Nemos. Touch that eel. Does it feel weird?
Ow!
Does it feel tingly?
I feel tingly.
They're teeny tiny.
Look at them.
Look how small they are, Alexie.
They're like babies.
They're cute, eh?
Yeah, they're cute little ones.
They're smaller than your pinky finger.
Hi. Hello.
Hello, Stingray.
That's her mommy. Yeah, that's Dad, I think.
Alexie, does it look like they're flying in the water?
Yeah. Look.
Pick one here. Oh.
I see a pink one. Look. Pink belly. Ah!
Daddy, they're so pretty. They change colors.
So Alexie, all these different tanks have different water in them. Water of different amounts of salt or pH. And there's filters to clean the water. And then they also keep the water at different temperatures for all the different fish. Tight mechanic. You gotta turn it, it's gonna move that plate, and it's gonna move the water up against the post. You gotta turn it in one way. You turn like this. Turning it that way. Keep turning it that way. Keep turning it that way. There it goes. There it goes. We're gonna make a tsunami. Look at the waves are getting bigger. The waves are getting bigger, Alexie. Look, Alexie. Look at the waves come. Look at that. These little babies? The baby's just a year old, Alexie.
Yeah. My favorite animal is
The stingrays?
yeah.
They're pretty cool.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Yeah.
Bye!